So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add or remove complications from a watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So different watch faces have different customization options. So some watch faces accept more complications than others. Okay. So I'm going to use this particular watch face, which is a default watch face that comes with a Galaxy Watch 6. So to add complications, long press on the watch face and then tap on customize. On the customization page, you have style as the first one. So skip that. It's going to go to color, skip that, and then you'll see complications. Now you're going to see blue lines or blue circles where you can add complications on this particular watch face. So this one, as you can see, I have one complication already, which shows the day and date that's already used. And then it's also showing me I can have these three options to add complications. So let's say I want to add a complication here. So I'll tap on that particular complication holder, and then I can choose from any of these complications to add to my watch face. So let's say, for instance, I want to add something like a compass, okay, or a camera controller, or the calculator, or the Galaxy Buds controller. Let's add this one. Okay, so I'll tap on that, and it's going to add my Galaxy Buds complication on the watch face. And then now I can go back and back to my watch face, and now as you can see, we have a Galaxy Buds complication on this particular watch face. And so I can simply tap on that, and that takes me to my Galaxy Buds controller. You can add any complication you want. Now let's say you want to remove a complication from a watch face. It's the same process, just long press, tap on customize, and then swipe to complication, and then tap on the complication you want to remove. So if I want to remove this one, I'll tap on it, and then from the options, scroll all the way up and choose none. Okay, so basically none, no complication. And then once you choose none, you can now hit the back button and go back all the way to the watch face, and that complication has been removed. And that's basically how to add or remove complications from watch faces on your Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.